welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, when was the last time I did a hair video? As a matter of fact, when was the last time I curled my hair? Like, I don't remember. As a matter of fact, I'll put right here the last video I upload, like a hair video, and then I'll upload like the last curled hair video. Anyways, so I bought this curling wand on Amazon like a week ago and so, and it's the Conair double ceramic wand. And so I wanted to do a first impression and like curling my hair. This is like the third day straight hair, or is it second day already? No, I think it's the third day, yeah. And if you guys are wondering about my top, I actually bought this at the store where I work at. And as you guys know, I work at Justice. So this is the top. I'm a 14-16 on a little girl size. So yeah. Anyways, so now let's just get right into the video and let's just curl this hair. So this is how the curling one looks like. It's a rose gold. I'll also link the actual curly one down in the description below, so if you guys are interested, check it out. And it was only like $19.99, so $20. So yeah, it's just it has the on and off button here, and then the turbo, power, and then obviously the cable. So let's just connect this. I don't know if you guys could see the flashing red light. Oh, it's pretty much heating up already, so I'll put this on the side in the meantime while it fully heats up. So I'll put it here in the meantime. And here's the glove that comes with. It's only 3-finger glove. And this is how you put it on. Well, actually it's on for this hand, but yeah. So let's just brush it off. If you guys are wondering what I'm watching on the TV, I was watching The Supernatural season 7. And also my brush has rose gold on it. If you guys haven't noticed, I like me my rose gold. My hair turned out. I absolutely love my hair. I love how, like, these type of curls, I don't like it too curly, and I don't like it, well, I like it wavy, but I just don't like it really curly. Personally, I like wavy curls and like really like tight curls. So this is definitely for me. So this is how it looks. Let me just get off. Don't mind my baby hairs. So I do definitely recommend this. It depends how loose you want them also. Like there's some that are looser, there's some that are tighter, like over here, because I left them tighter on this side. But yeah, So if you want them looser, just leave it there for a couple minutes. If you want it tighter, like more minutes. And this is a 1-inch curling one. So yeah, and it does heat up really fast. And yeah, so I do leave it like this, just wavy like this, or I do tend to like separate them, like wave them even more, just separate the curls. I do it with my fingers rather than just a brush, because if I were to do it with the brush, it would just definitely make it even more frizzier. But with the fingers, it's definitely fine. I like this little oof part right here. So yeah, just pretty much separate the ends, more poofier, more voluptuous. Voluptuous, what the heck is that? I don't even know what voluptuous is. But yeah, just separate your curls, your waves. This would definitely be like a hairstyle that I would do when I get married, like very, very soon. So just wave it out, like so, like this, like that, or just put it on the side like this, like that. So yeah, you guys, if you guys loved this like first impression and also like a mini tutorial of how I curl my hair, just give this video a thumbs up, comment down below any other video requests. I am gonna try to film more videos often. I am almost towards the end of my schooling, so yes. And right now the class that I'm taking is pretty easy, like for me at least. It's pretty easy, so it's pretty much fast for me to work on the stuff. And yeah, so like I mentioned, if you guys really love this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I think that's about it. If you guys want any video updated life event, if you guys want any like life update video, comment down below as well, let me know. And yeah, also like I mentioned, the link to the wand will be down below in the description box. It was only $20. Yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.